Welcome to another installment of Culinary Karma. Today we're going to make Chinese fried rice, and it's a ready, set, go dish. As long as your rice is ready and all of your accoutrements are ready to go, this dish will take you about 90 seconds to 2 minutes to prepare and about the same amount of time to indulge in and enjoy. So let's get started. I love crushed red pepper, so I'm going to go ahead and put a good amount of crushed red pepper in there. I've also got garlic that's minced. I have julienne pieces of ginger. I also have julienne carrot matchstick carrots that I'm going to put in there. I love mushrooms, so let's put some mushrooms in there. And of course, onions that I've just sliced. Literally, I just want you to grab a fistful of each item. So whatever you have on hand, prepare to throw into your pot. So again, if you're making a dish for 1, 2, 3, or 4, add accordingly. I just threw some sweet corn in there, and I'll tell you what, it is gorgeous. Look at this pot. It's just begging for a little bit of red. Put a little bit of red peppers in there. But I'm all about visual, right? We want food to look so pleasing to the eye. All right, I'm gonna throw in some celery for crunch and of course vitamins. And then let's go ahead and throw in some soy sauce. You want the soy sauce to be soaked into all those aromatics, all those vegetables. I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of sesame oil for flavor. We don't cook in sesame oil, we cook with sesame oil, okay? Putting a little bit of sweet chili sauce. You don't have to. Really, whatever you like. If you enjoy hoisin sauce, throw some hoisin sauce in there. If you like oyster sauce, fish sauce, it's your choice. Now, I don't have MSG. A lot of salty flavor comes out of monosodium glutamate. I've never bought it. I've never utilized it. Know what your health profile and flavor profile are and decide for yourself. I'm going to throw in some crunchy water chestnuts, and here goes the rice. Cooked rice, about a cup to a cup and a half. I also have some cooked up tofu, so I'm going to add my fried tofu to this. But if you enjoy poultry, if you enjoy pork, if you enjoy beef, you pick your protein according to your palate and your preference. But for me, fried tofu is where it's at. I'm going to garnish this with some green onions and some cilantro, and I'm going to plate this up. That's it. Ready, steady, go. And I'm ready to taste it. It's going to be plenty hot, so be careful. This is amazing. I'm crunching. There's this, the rice just dissolves. I feel soy sauce and spicy elements washing back, and I'm still crunching on a little bit of celery, and I've got green onions. This is a winner. 2 minutes. You come home from work, if you've got these elements ready to go and you need a quick pick-me-up, fried rice, Asian fried rice with tofu or your favorite protein is the way to go. I'm Dr. Abha. Please join me for every installment of Culinary Karma. It's my greatest pleasure to share a bit of my kitchen with all of you.